We don't have all day.
Okay, I'm going. Whoa. Oh, could I at least fix my face first? Ah!
No way! I have way too many pictures to take today to wait for you. Next!
Oh, man.
Hang on 1 second. Makeup! Enough!
Okay, next!
Can we take that one more time? The lighting was a little bit off.
Fine.
This book is boring too!
What is it, Fred?
I'm tired of reading books. I want to play some video games.
You're lucky that I brought the newest games!
Hi, great choice, Lily!
Yeah.
Oh, there's nothing to do. Huh? Whoa, rocks! I can stack these. Okay, careful. Careful. Ooh, almost there. Ah, man. Man, it fell. One more time. Okay, this one.
That's it, Fred. It's your time. You can go home.
What? You can't make me leave?
But you have your freedom now. You can go.
No, please, I want to stay here. I love it here.
No, you have to go.
Perfect. No one is looking. Perfect. I'll use this spoon to make my grand escape. What? No! My spoon!
Hey, Fred, time to clean yourself.
Really? Fine. I can't do this anymore. I'll just pay Lily to clean myself for me. Lily!
What is it, Fred? Are you done cleaning yet?
Actually, I think you should clean my cell.
For all that money? Ha! Max, it's time to clean. Make sure it's spotless.
With this, it's gonna take forever.
Then you better get to work.
Okay. It's so tiring.
All right. You have to clean the hallway too.
Seriously? I have so much work to do.
Hey, did you bring the snacks?
Of course I did. Take whatever you want.
Oh, that looks good. Looks good. Here's your money.
Pleasure doing business with you. Max, you have a visitor.
A visitor?
Hi, Max.
Ivy?
I brought this for you. Look.
Whoa, candy? For me?
Yeah, here you go. Enjoy.
Awesome, I don't see Lily anywhere. Huh?
Max, no candy allowed. Give me the rest now.
Oh, really?
Yes, I don't have all day.
I can't believe Lily is late. How do I get her back for that? Oh, I'm gonna go behind the bed. And I'll scare her when she comes in.
Oh no, I'm running so late. Fred?
Boom!
Oh, there you are. Oh,
That was hilarious.
scared me. Let's go.
Huh? What is that? It's a cockroach! Ew.
Oh, was that a bug? Max, why would you do that?
Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to.
I don't believe you. You're cleaning the whole jail tomorrow.
What? No. Oh, man.
Lily, I haven't heard music in so long. Please sing me a song.
Of course, I'll try my best.
No! Sorry, Lily, but I ain't a real singer. Hello? Yeah, come to Rich Jail. All right, should be here any minute.
I have arrived. This song's for Fred. Shoo-be-da-ba-ba-yo, shoo-be-ba-ba.
Oh, this is the best!
Max, you need to get up.
Okay. Mornings are so boring. Oh, I can sing a song. Mornings are the best.
Enough! You're too loud. You need to quiet down.
Okay, sorry.
Much better. Don't forget to clean your bag.
Oh yes, finally lunchtime. Could I have the biggest pizza?
We don't have pizza, but we have something very nutritious. Beans!
Oh, I love beans. What?
What's the problem?
I need at least 100 beans. This is only 3.
It's 3 beans or nothing. Do you want it or not?
Yeah, I do want it.
Hi. Oh, Mr. Fred, here's your lunch.
Ooh, that's delicious. I also need a drink. I'll be in the VIP lounge.
Huh? Oh, it's not fair.
Hi, everyone. Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!